In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Snowflake query history, ensuring you can keep track of your SQL queries with ease. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or someone just getting started with Snowflake, understanding how to access and review query history is fundamental to optimizing performance and maintaining oversight over your database operations. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign in to Snowsite, which is Snowflake's modern web-based interface. If you don't already have your credentials handy, you might want to take a moment to ensure you have your username and password ready for a smooth login process. Once you have these, simply log in to your Snowsite account just as you normally would when accessing any Snowflake functionalities. If you encounter any issues with logging in, double-check your credentials or reach out to your IT support team for further assistance. Now that you're signed in, let's navigate to the section where you can view your query history. From the main interface of Snowsite, look at the left-hand navigation pane. You will notice a section named Monitoring. This area is designed to give you insights into the performance and activities occurring within your Snowflake environment. Click on it to expand and reveal more options. Once the monitoring section is open, you'll see an entry labeled Query History. Click on this option, which leads you directly to the Query History dashboard. This page acts as a repository of all the queries that have been executed, offering a detailed view of what's been happening within your Snowflake account over the past hours, days, or weeks, depending on your configuration and account settings. The Query History dashboard can be an invaluable tool for diagnosing issues, analyzing performance, and understanding how data is being accessed in your Snowflake environment. Within this dashboard, you will find various columns detailing each query executed, including useful information like the execution time, duration, and any potential errors that might have occurred. If you're interested in a particular time frame or specific queries executed by a certain user, you can use the filter options available to narrow down the results displayed. Remember to frequently check this area, especially if you are responsible for maintaining the integrity and performance of the databases you work with. Regularly reviewing the query history can help you identify inefficiencies, allowing you to optimize queries for better performance outcomes. Moreover, if there are any discrepancies or unexpected results in your data reports, the query history can be a useful place to trace back what might have gone wrong. So, that's a straightforward and concise way to access and review your query history in Snowflake using Snowsite. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in managing your Snowflake environment more effectively. For more tips like this, don't forget to check out our other videos where we delve even deeper into maximizing your data management strategies with Snowflake.